Hey friends, who's hungry? Let's make a grilled shrimp and spinach salad that feels like something you'd order at a restaurant, but it's ridiculously easy to make at home. Start by preheating your grill to medium or medium-high heat, about 375 degrees Fahrenheit. In a mixing bowl, add 1 pound of peeled and deveined shrimp. Drizzle with 1 tablespoon of olive oil and sprinkle with 1 tablespoon of Cajun seasoning. Toss everything together until the shrimp are evenly coated. Thread the shrimp onto skewers or place them in a grilling basket. Then grill for 3 to 5 minutes per side, just until they turn pink and opaque. Remove the shrimp from the grill and keep them warm. While the shrimp are resting, build your salad. Pile 8 cups of fresh baby spinach onto a large platter. Top the spinach with 1 cup of fire-roasted red bell peppers, about ½ a cup of sliced almonds, and 6 slices of cooked and chopped bacon. Now add your warm grilled shrimp right on top. Finish it off with a generous drizzle of your favorite salad dressing. I like to serve my salad with hot bacon vinaigrette. Looking for more recipes? Watch my next video and be sure to subscribe to my channel.